Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It also provides an alarming 1,671 milligrams of sodium. Even if your slaw serves 6 to 8 people, that's still a lot of unnecessary calories, fat and sodium for one dish. If you order coleslaw at a fast food or sit-down joint, the calorie count can run around 300, with 21 grams of fat.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eating more cabbage is an excellent way to keep your digestive system healthy and happy. Summary: cabbage contains insoluble fiber, which keeps the digestive system healthy by providing fuel for friendly bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. 4 November 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Don't even look at potato salad, macaroni salad or coleslaw. You should eat foods high in potassium, because that mineral is believed to help excrete sodium from the body. It also may help relax blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure. Fruits and vegetables are high in potassium. 20 August 2007.
Let's help you make your mark.
The fiber and water content in cabbage also help to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive tract. Eating adequate fiber promotes regularity, which is crucial for the excretion of toxins through the bile and stool. 2 November 2017.
Take our lead.
Nutritional information: a serving of KFC coleslaw contains 150 calories. 60 calories are derived from fat, however KFC coleslaw contains no trans fats. There is no cholesterol either. There are 21 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of dietary fiber.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If it's bitter, it's likely that your acidic component, likely a form of vinegar and/or ketchup, depending on the kind of slaw you are making, is overwhelming the sweet component. If you don't want to add sugar, you can try adding shredded apples.
Take our lead.
Food poisoning often occurs from eating undercooked meats, dairy products, or food containing mayonnaise (LRB) like coleslaw or potato salad (RRB) that have sat out of the refrigerator too long. Food poisoning can be caused by Bacillus cereus botulism Campylobacter cholerae.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.